And a quick update on the flashing light phenomena. Up to 690 here on the map in the United States, nearing 1,700 globally and counting. I'm still getting them every single day. This next video is just kind of eerie. Rob out of Dallas, Texas, June 15th of 2025, came up on this restaurant, and the majority of the lights on the property were flickering on and off. Not just one bulb here and there, it was the entire place. How weird is that? So that tells you right there, it's not just a bulb issue. Had to be something to do with the power supply. Something was interfering with the flow of electricity. I think that is a classic example right there. If the vast majority of the premises is going dark, then it has to be the power source. It's not just a bulb. Practically every bulb on the property was very slowly turning off and then back on. It was just kind of an eerie situation, almost something like you'd see in a movie or something. That's what compelled Rob to take the video. He was very taken back by that, had never seen anything like it. Going to Denver, another glitch in a big parking lot in Denver. Alec Bello, 6/17 of 2025, came up on all of these lights here, malfunctioning for unknown reasons. So you know that that's not a bulb issue. There's something bigger going on here that we just can't see. And it's showing up around the world, rogue and randomly, and in unassuming places, and nobody knows when or where it's going to show up. And I received my first video out of Amsterdam. This video was taken by Kimberly and Heather when they noticed that one rogue and random flashing light in the middle of the street. Going from Holland to Louisville, Kentucky. Heather, this is like the third or fourth video that Heather shared with me just from her location alone. And example number 3, going to Westminster, Colorado. Stephanie J, 6/9 of 2025, came up on these lights either in a park or a parking lot. Either way, these were night lights that are normally just on, not flickering and flashing like this for unknown reasons. She had never seen that before. And example number 4, a video sent in by Jody Overstreet, who was walking towards the back door of her house here on June 10th of 2025. She opens the door, she noticed the flickering through the curtain. And I guess that was the first time they'd ever noticed the light flickering and flashing, rogue and randomly. Thanks for the photos and videos, guys. Keep them coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. Look for this red tab that says, Have a Large Video. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your videos into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.